Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to leave a book review on Amazon. Whether you've just finished a great novel or want to share your thoughts on a recent read, leaving a review helps other readers make informed decisions and supports authors. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your account features. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen and hover your mouse over Account and Lists. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your Amazon account. From this menu, click on Orders. This section displays all your recent purchases and is where you'll find the books you're eligible to review. Now, I don't have any orders right now, but I'll walk you through what you would see next. Once you're in your Orders page, scroll through your recent purchases to locate the book you want to review. Keep in mind that Amazon typically allows you to review books within 30 days of purchase, so the book should appear in your recent orders list if it's eligible. When you find the book, you'll notice a button next to it that says Write a Product Review. Go ahead and click on that button. This will open up the review form where you can share your thoughts and rating. The first thing you'll see is the star rating system. Click on the stars to select your rating, with 1 star being the lowest and 5 stars being the highest. This quick rating gives readers an immediate sense of your overall opinion, so choose the number that best reflects your experience with the book. After selecting your star rating, you'll need to add a headline for your review. Click in the field labeled Add a Title and type a brief, catchy headline that summarizes your thoughts. Something like Great Read or Couldn't Put It Down works perfectly to grab attention. Below the headline, you'll see a larger text box where you can write your full review. This is where you'll expand on your thoughts. Try to write at least 1 to 2 sentences covering key points like whether you enjoyed the book, what your favorite part was, or if you'd recommend it to others. The more detail you provide, the more helpful your review will be to fellow readers. Once you've finished writing your review, scroll down to the bottom of the form and click Submit. This will post your review to the book's Amazon page where other customers can read it and find it helpful. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully left a book review on Amazon, contributing to the community and helping other readers discover their next great book. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.